Here I show the constructions of my builder's demonstration board. This is for microchip 18 series and 14 pin, 14 pins is MCU, and it was made based on the 18F 4550. There's USB tapped MCU, and the MCU installed here. Back side here, and red color is the positive 5-volt rail, and white wire normally is the ground. And first, the construction of this jumper. On the left and right side of the MCU, there is socket here, 2 rows of socket. They are linked with the MCU pin. So here is 20 pins, and on these two sides also there is socket as well as pin. And turning back, they are linked together but not to the MCU. So whenever you need to put the wire connect, you need to put this here and here, then the MCU pins will be linked to here, and this pin I can install this modulus here. So the arrangement of the socket and pins in this configuration, the reason is why this is in this manner. And on top and bottom here, the bottom one, you can see this and this double row, and here it marked this is positive 5-volt rail, and this is ground as well. Here the upper row of pocket is positive, and lower one pocket is ground. And for here there is no connection to the others, but they are linked together. So whenever I put additional modulus here, I can connect the wire as well here to the MCU. So I can install more modulus on this demonstration board. And here is the power supply area. It's standard 5-volt regulator, and here is the jumper for the PIC kit number 3 for insertion to this jumper here. And here is the voltage supply socket. You can see here, this is direct 5-volt input that will bypass the regulator. Here is the higher voltage, is around 7 to 12 volt, and is selected by the jumper here. And this is the reset button for the MCU. And here is the sockets for installing the potentiometer, variable resistor, and here for the sockets for the installation of the crystal. Yeah. So I can change another value of crystal oscillator. And here is the capacitor for USB. If I use standard 18F MCU, I don't need to put on this one. When I use the USB tab, I need to install this one. And also this 2 pin is also for USB. So here is the jumper to connect to, you can see connect to here to the USB port. When I remove this jumper, there is no connection to this pin. And here a row of socket and pin is mainly is for insertions of LCD. This is 16:2 LCD, and here there is some jumper. Here is fixed mounted the variable resistor here, and as well as here. This is for large LCD, and when use this one, I don't need this. So whenever I use LCD, I need to put on the jumper here to connect. You can see the back side for connection. To this pin, and on the upper side, this is USB, this is micro USB, and here is a switch for trigger the boot loading. There's almost all the detail of this board. And then I go to the modulus that I made myself, and here is the modulus. And one more thing, if I use the socket here, if I want to use pin, I can insert the pin here. Then this will go to a pin tab. Then I can use on the other modulus, on the other MCU, such as Arduino. Here is the socket. So I made this can be used for other boards, or for this type of board. This type of board, I can use this, put on the pin, and then insert here easily. And here is the one piece key switch. Here is one piece LED. Here is one piece 7-segment LED. Here in the last video already mention these two pieces. Here is PIC18F. This is 80 just for tutorial learning use. This is the temperature sensor, DS something. Remember, is DS1620 temperature sensor, and this one is if I bought it, not made by me. This is the timer. It's an older one, DS1302 timer, and this made by me. This wearable resistor, and also this toggle, and here is the resistor series, and this also a toggle switch, slide switch, and here is a buffer IC. This is 74HC04 buffer IC. So I can mount this on here as well easily. Mount this LCD here, and then do all the stuff, all the